Okay, we're going to correct week 24's daily language. Make sure you have a pen or a marker. To make your corrections, press pause as you make the corrections, then press play when you're done to listen to the rest. What was they doing in Dr. Wynn's backyard? So it'd be what were, since there's more than one, they doing in Dr. Wynn's. Doctor is capital D, R period. His last name should be capitalized. And then you should have an apostrophe S because the backyard belongs to Dr. Wynn. And we need a question mark. They were helping him plant pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin is P-U-M-P-K-I-N and seeds is E-double-E. And it's not a question mark, it's a period because it's a statement. Use so to write one sentence. We are planting the seeds now, so there will be pumpkins in the fall. So we need a comma and then so to connect those two sentences because there is another subject after the so. And fall is not capitalized because we don't capitalize the names of seasons. Circle the word that means land next to a house. Dr. Wynn has many plants growing in his yard. The land that's next to a house, and that means actual ground, is a yard. Okay, I see dark clouds floating in the sky. So always capitalize I when you're referring to yourself. See, not sees, dark clouds floating slowly in the sky. So sky is S-K-Y period. Does it mean that it's going to rain today? Oops, I see a mistake in mine. Does it mean that you can say it is, or you can say it's apostrophe S going to rain today. It should be a question mark because that is a question. Riley can wear his new raincoat. Circle the word that tells who. The who that's wearing the raincoat is Riley. Write the two words that are in raindrop, rain and drop. And if you somebody asked you, or if you were asked what's the definition of a raindrop, and you could just use the words that are in the compound word. It is a drop of rain. Okay. Don't play with that sharp knife. So we need an apostrophe T for our contraction. Play with that sharp knife, and I put a exclamation point because you're probably being very forceful and have lots of emotion if you are telling somebody not to play with the sharp knife. Ask your mom to put it safely away. So A-S-K is how you spell ask your mom to put, just P-U-T, not put, it safely away. Circle the word that comes last in alphabetical order. So we always need to look at the first letter when we're looking at alphabetical order, and then okay. And spoon actually comes last in alphabetical order. It would be F for fork would be first, then K for knife would be second, N for napkin would be third, and S for spoon would be last. Write the missing word. How many forks, spoons, and knives do we need? So K-N-I-V-E-S. Last word, we have kind as an adjective. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. Unkind is an adjective that describes a noun. And kindness is a noun. It's an abstract noun. It's one of those nouns that you can't touch. The boy showed kindness when he helped a lost kitten. Kayla is kind to others when she offers her seat. It would be unkind to leave a mess on the floor. Okay, make sure you've written each word in a sentence. Capital letter at the beginning, proper end mark at the end. Neat handwriting and good spaces between your words. If not, go ahead and rewrite, then turn it in.